Hello everyone, this is section 3.1 complex numbers. Complex numbers are numbers that has two parts, the real part and the imaginary part. A plus bi. Now what is I? I is defined to be the square root of -1. So if we do square both sides of this, we end up with I squared equals a -1. Let's take a look at example 1. Express each imaginary number in standard form. The square root of -7 is the same thing as the square root of 7 times -1. And we can rewrite this one as the square root of 7 times the square root of -1. The square root of -1 is I. So square root of -7 can be written as the square root of 7 times I. Next, part B, we have negative square root of -44. We can rewrite this one as negative the square root of 4 times 11 times -1. Positive times negative is going to give us the negative. Then we can rewrite this one as negative square root of 4 times square root of 11 times square root of -1. And this reduces to -2 times the square root of 11i. Sometimes when you're very good at this, you don't have to go step by step this way. Normally what I would do here is just factor the 44 out to be 4 times -11. And I know that the square root of 4 would be 2. And I know that there's a negative inside the square root, so the I is going to come out somewhere. And then the 11 stays inside because it's not a perfect square factor.